Music and songs have always been the strongest part of Yash Raj films. Their songs are touching and define romance in a serene and melodious way, along with a few cinematic signature style. The cliches of snow-capped mountains as the picture-perfect location for love was ideally a concept starting by the most famous production house known for romance, Yash Raj Films. Let's have a look at a few compositions that have just been enhanced because of its picturesque locations. Remember the song Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein from Yash Chopra's classic film Kabhi Kabhi in 1976. Megastar Amitabh Bachchan and Rakhi Gulzar shot the song in a snow-clad region of Kashmir, donning a shawl. This was surely one of the songs that is still evergreen in our minds as we can still picturize the location. Dekha Ek Khwab is yet another song from the movie Silsila in 1981. The song picturized on Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha at Keuken of Tulip Garden in Netherlands. The song was shot here to lend more clout to the lyrics Dur tak nigahon mein hai gul khile hue. Well, after the legendary Big B, it was our romantic King Khan's chance to explore these beautiful scenery to depict romance. Shah Rukh Khan and Juhi Chawla's song Tu Mere Samne from the film Dar in 1993 was picturized in the snowy green valleys of Switzerland, which later on turned out to be Yash Chopra's patent shooting spot. In Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, Yash Chopra further explored the inskirts of the European valleys. The snow-packed mountains along with the green countryside was used at the perfect location where Raj and Simran's love-hate fight slowly blossoms into true love. It's a known fact that Yash Chopra has made a comeback this year with his yet-to-be titled production along with Bollywood biggies Shah Rukh Khan and Katrina Kaif. And Yash Chopra wants to keep up with this trend to portray SRK Katrina romance as they would be paired together for the first time on screen. Well then, how can he create romance without snowy mountains and chiffon saris as it's always been his forte? This is Abhishek Haldar for Rajshri.com.